So while you log into your Google Drive, the first thing that you see is your Drive and Quick Access by default. So sometimes what you need is just these files right here, and you don't want the Quick Access to be there for some privacy reasons. So in order to turn the Quick Access off, you can go to Settings right here and then click on Settings, and then go over here onto the General tab. Scroll down, and over here in the suggestion section, simply disable this. So here, once I disable, you can see that the Quick Access disappears right over there on the back. So once I press done, the Quick Access is not there anymore. So even if you were to present this to someone, the Quick Access won't be visible here, so that will be very helpful for your privacy. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.